Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Sophie. And then today I'm at Times Square 10 showroom and we want to show you the mock-up model and we want to guide you the whole through building and help you understand. You might find it's a little bit confused. So today we're going to show you the full detail of Times Square 10. What is the view look like, where the building located, and what is available on the market right now. So if you look into the floor plan, you will see 3 separate buildings that usually we send it to you. So it's actually one big building, but separate into 3 parts of the building. As you can see, this is called, the first one is Diamond Ocean, and the second one is called Gold Ocean, and the third one is Crystal. When it's first launched, the first building that sold out really quick is Crystal, because majority of those units selling with only around $45,000 for 1 bedroom. Currently, it's almost 80% sold already. And then jump into the second building is Gold, all 1 bedroom, and the last one is Corner unit, is a 2 bedroom, around $70,000 to $80,000 for a 2 bedroom, and the 1 bedroom within around $55,000. And then the third part is the premium one, because each unit have a big balcony and it have a beachfront view. So you may find 4 bedroom around 240 up to 300K, depend on how low and how high you go. Recently, the developer just launching their duplex, and it's already majority of those units have been selected and sold already. Currently, it's all 70% sold, and we're standing here at the angle of the building. As you can see, right over here is the south view. We will put the drone shot so you can see what the south view look like, and on this side is the north view look like. So we're going to show you currently what is sold out and what is sellable. If you are interested to know more details about the property in Cambodia, not just beachfront or any property Siem Reap in Phnom Penh, contact us. We'll be happy to provide you with more detail and give you a consult. Thank you. Bye.